Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, September 11th, and we're going to take a look at another common mistake that trader makes, or talk about another common mistake we see traders making. But first, before we do that, I want to talk about what's happening here with platinum, because platinum's been selling off, so have bonds and gold, which is what we wanted to see. They're all coming off of what we call volume reversals, which you can see here. A volume reversal occurs when you get these blue dots at the top, and that means that the market's gotten extended with weak volume. And you can see right now we're getting one down at the bottom to the upside potentially, but you can see just how well they've worked here in platinum here over the past few weeks on the 120-minute price chart. Worked out really well, and they've all been selling off, coming off of a volume reversal in the 240s that we talked about on Friday of last week using this VSI. Now, the mistake I want to discuss, though, is one I see traders making all the time, and that's having a lack of confidence in the trades that they are placing. You got to keep in mind when you're trading, and as a trader, one of the hardest parts of being a trader is overcoming kind of the mental part of it and getting out of your head, in the sense that you're not messing with your trades just because you're thinking about stuff the wrong way. And one thing that causes people to second guess themselves is a lack of confidence. And you'll get into a trade. A lot of times you'll see traders, I see traders, they'll get into a trade and it was a good trade and they thought it was a good trade set up at first and everything, and that's why they placed it. And then they kind of second guess themselves and they jump out way too soon and they take a trade that should have made them, let's say $1,000, and they might have made 10 bucks or 15 bucks on it. And that is in large part due to a lack of confidence. Now, there's a couple things you can do to increase your confidence in your trading, but one of the biggest ones that comes, or that's going to help increase your confidence, is really just seeing the same setup and actually putting in the time and the work. And what I mean by that is seeing the same strategy play out time and time again. And you go back and you look at historical price charts and historical setups, and you convince yourself essentially that this is going to work. And you're convincing your subconscious that this strategy works. I've seen it work 1,000 times. And there's really nothing you can do other than going back and reviewing historical price charts or trading simulated and using the same setup and tracking it and making sure you're looking at the exact right type of trade, or taking the right type of trade over and over and over again, and kind of teaching yourself, hey, look, here's a strategy, this is how it works. Here's a strategy, this is how it works. Here's a strategy, this is how it works. And you're going to build up slowly confidence in your trades. And once you get more confidence, then you're going to have the confidence to put on the positions you need to be putting on and allowing them to run as far as you need to allow them to run, and actually making the money that you should be making on these trades, instead of getting scared out of them or letting some little spike in the market head fake you out and cause you to lose on a trade or get out of a trade way too soon that you otherwise shouldn't be getting out of. So keep that in mind. Again, make sure you got confidence in your trades. If you don't have any confidence in your trades, it makes it much more difficult mentally to be a trader and commit to risking money to make money. So one of the best ways to do that is go back and look at the strategy that you're using over and over and over again, and teach your brain that it does work and that it happens and that it's worth using or worth trading. Alrighty, so that's all I got for you for today. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the videos, or to the YouTube channel if you're enjoying these videos. And until next time, happy trading.